Hey everybody, Ben with Diesel Power Products here, and today we are talking about the Fleece heater core replacement line kit for the 12 valve 5.9 Cummins. So let's talk about application real quick. As I said before, this works on the 5.9 12 valve, so that's going to be from 1989 all the way to 1998. Yes, there is a half year for 1998. If you have a 98.5, it's going to be a 24 valve. It's a VP44 pump. This is only going to work on the 12 valve, so not the 98.5. If you've popped the hood on any of these 12 valves, you may have noticed that the lines going to the heater core on the firewall are probably pretty old. They're probably pretty corroded. And if you've spent any time or money making your engine look nice, or you just want your heater core to perform like it should, you probably need to get them replaced. Well, the factory ones are just going to do the same thing, and honestly, they don't look very nice, and the price point isn't quite there either. Well, Fleece made this kit. This is a very nice fit and finish on that 12 valve. Not only is our heater core going to work the way it's supposed to, but it's going to look fantastic at the same time. A couple of special notes here with installation. You may find that you have to trim the silicone hose going to the firewall. No big deal, it's all outlined in the instructions. Also, if you have an aftermarket exhaust manifold, they've got you taken care of. See the instructions, but you're going to either leave out or remove the rear bracket that supports all of the lines. Next thing is, this is going to be intended for trucks that had factory air conditioning. So if your 12 valve didn't have air conditioning, you may have to supply some of your own parts, because this kit, again, was intended to work on the trucks with factory air conditioning. Lastly, you've heard me mention instructions. Fleece includes a QR code. You can go to their website and see the most updated version of their instructions with color pictures. One of the things I love about Fleece. And bonus, they come with koozies. Always a good thing in my book. If you have any questions about this, feel free to give us a call. We have sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, and they're ready to give you the best tech support in the industry. If you don't have time for a phone call, shoot us an email, use the chat feature on the website, reach out on social media, whatever works best for you. We are here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.